welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a vlog. I thought that I would just take you guys along with my day, and I'm getting ready to go pick Brittany up. She just lives right down the street from me, and we are gonna go to Target to check out the fall dollar spot, and we're also going to go to Walmart to go grocery shopping together. So I'm actually going to be filming 2 videos today. I'm going to be filming this vlog, and then I'll be filming a grocery haul once I get home. But yeah, I just thought that today would be a good day to vlog. Whoa, I know you guys can't even see that, but my hair literally falls out so much. Anyway, so I'm about to go pick her up now, and then I will take you guys along with whatever we do today. We're also going to go to Chick-fil-A for lunch first. So let's go get Brittany. Just got to Chick-fil-A, and I have a surprise guest with me. Hi, Dad.
It's been so long.
Her cute Texas hat. Where'd you get that? Did you get that in Texas?
Yeah, I did. I actually got it in. I got this one and another one in Texas.
That's super cute. But we're having lunch, and then we're gonna head over to Target.
Oh, the dollar spot.
So we're in the Target dollar spot. They have their cute fall stuff. Look at this little cup. Okay, I really want this, but Brittany said.
This one.
What? Those are so cute. I love that caramel apple bar.
For on your coffee bar.
Yes. I really want this one, but Brittany says $5 isn't worth it. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. I really want it though. It's adorable.
I'm trying to keep you in check.
And then, oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're good. Cozy songs. Yeah.
Brittany just told me she wanted some. But that's a good price. And then, guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, Brittany, how cute is this? What do you use this for?
They're
photo props.
Yeah, look, here's the background.
Oh, cute. Oh, that's cool.
I totally may get some of these. They're so cute.
These are really cute. I like their low rise.
Yeah, they're only $1.
Yep. And then they have these little games like tic-tac-toe, cornhole. Isn't that cute? Look at this. It says locally grown, and it's like a drawstring bag, apples and pumpkins. That is so cute. Wow. You could fill this with nothing and stuff it and put it like in a corner.
I could fill it with the hay that I have.
Or like literally nothing, like plastic bags, and put it in the corner, like tie it.
Yay.
Yeah, so cute. The cup that I've been obsessed with that I got here from Target, they have it in this navy blue color. Some of you guys were asking me like where I got it from. So I'm in this aisle with like all the water bottles and stuff. This is where I found it. They also, I really like this marble one too. Super cute. But they have this, it's only $7.99, $8.99. $8.99, yeah. So I really want this one. They had another color too. Target also has these super cute pullovers. If you know me, you know I'm obsessed with pullovers. And I really want this one. It says homebody. It's like so me, but it's $20. So got a blast on that one. And then anything else, Brittany?
Oh my gosh. Okay, I am super obsessed with the snakeskin stuff right now. And look at this for my insects. Look, they've got this and a phone case and like the flash thingy. Oh no, that's for an Apple Watch.
Yeah.
And look, this selfie light.
Oh, show me that watercolor one.
Which one?
This one right here. No, this one's cute.
I have to put this one back.
Oh, sorry. Look at this one. This one's really cute.
Oh, and this charging cable.
Oh, everything to match.
I'm loving.
Oh, they're on clearance.
Wait, yours up, really?
Oh no, I'm sorry. I thought it was clearance. It's not. I got her
Those are fighting words.
Next stop, Sam's.
Because that's what adults do.
So we're in Sam's. I just got a membership and I'm so excited. I'm gonna get one of these hoodies. They look like this. I'm gonna get this color, I'll show you in a second. But the bottoms of them are really cute. They're kind of like acid washed, and Brittany's gonna get this one. What do you think?
Okay. I think it's cute, but I think if I want it to be oversized, I think I'm gonna go with the large.
Yeah.
But it's so cute, and look, it comes with a little hood.
Yeah, cute. This is the color I'm getting. And they're only like $12. I think it's super cute. Love. Brittany and I came here for like nothing but water. And we're leaving with all of this. So we just got done at Sam's. I'll show you guys what I got at Sam's in my grocery haul that I'm gonna film later after we go to the store. We still have to go to the grocery store. That's where we're going next, but we're right in the same parking lot as Walmart, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm actually probably gonna leave the camera in the car just because I'm getting a little shopped out and I just like wanna finish at the store and like get my stuff. And I kind of have a little bit of a long list, so.
I was so thirsty.
Can I see it? I'll just take it out of the, not that I think you really care, but. Can you just pull your straw? Isn't this cute? It says refreshed. Show them the top.
Ray's on. You know my girl Ray. Her and I are like this.
She got all your money. I just spilled water all over me. Okay, so I got a SAMS membership, which if you guys, I don't think I've talked about this before. I've been dying for one since we moved here. I had a Costco membership back in Ohio, but they don't have that. Well, it's in Alabama, so I just don't feel like going that far. So we just finished up here. We got a bunch of good stuff. And we got really cute sweatshirts, which I know I showed you guys. But
yes.
If you guys have a SAMS membership, you need to go look because they had some really cute like fall sweatshirts and
for only $12.
I know. Yeah, you're not gonna find that like
not even at Walmart. You're not gonna find that. TJ Maxx, Ross.
Yeah. So we're gonna go grocery shopping, and then I will probably film when we're done with that. Okay, guys. So I just got back from shopping with Brittany. It feels like a very long day. It's already after 6 o'clock. It's 6:05. Devin's gonna be waking up soon. He actually works tonight. Sorry, the lighting is kind of bad. But I need to get dinner started, but you can see all my groceries behind me. I just filmed a grocery haul for Sam's and Walmart, so be on the lookout. That's gonna be my next video. And yeah, I need to put all this away and then get dinner going, and I'll show you guys what I'm gonna make for dinner tonight. So hopefully you guys can hear me, but I'm making a coconut lime chicken, which is so easy and so delicious. So the first step I'm doing is just browning the chicken on each side. I'm using chicken thighs, and once I'm done with that, I will show you guys what I'm doing after. You basically just take like some chicken broth and coconut milk, and you kind of mix it together with a little bit of lime juice and some salt and pepper, and it's really easy. So I will show you guys once these are done browning on each side. Okay, so I just basically browned the chicken on both sides. It's not all the way cooked through yet, but now I'm going to be putting this in the same pan. It's chicken broth, coconut milk. These are little frozen minced garlic cubes, and you just pop them in the pan and you just freeze them and they last forever, like those. And then lime juice, salt and pepper. Basically, you'll get that like going in the skillet, and then after a few minutes you will put the chicken back in, and then I'm going to serve it with rice. So it's kind of messy, but this is what everything looks like once it's all mixed in. You basically mix everything else together in the pan, and then you put the chicken back in and you let it simmer for another like 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to cover this and let this finish cooking, and then I have this water boiling because I'm going to make some jasmine rice, and I will show you guys what it looks like when it's all done. So while my dinner is finishing up cooking, I thought I would show you guys what I got at TJ Maxx. So I ended up getting this little shelf organizer for my spice rack, or for not for my spice rack, but for my spices. My spices are up here. I'll show you guys really quick. Basically they're kind of organized, but I just have like medicine and junk in here. This is like my baking, cooking, I don't know, medicine cabinet. So I have all these different spices, and I thought that it would be better if I got this little rack to organize them in there. I have a pretty big cabinet, so this will definitely fit, and it's like non-skid. So that was only $3.99, or wait, $5.99? Yeah, $5.99. This was only $3.99, and I'm really excited about it. I'm going to put this inside of my kitchen cabinet right there because Sherman will eat sponges or rags if I leave them out, and I used to leave my rag like this, which I think looks much better like in the kitchen, but he will eat it because you guys know he's huge, so he gets right up here. And I used to have a little thing in here that suction to the thing. You can actually see the little spots where it once was with my sponges in it, and he will eat those too. So for my solution, I got this little basket. It was only $3.99, and I'm gonna put it on the inside of this cabinet, and I'm just gonna put my sponges and my rag in there. And yeah, they had a couple different ones. They had like a bigger one for $5.99, but I thought I would just try this one. So hopefully these turn out well. And this is the cute baby you guys have been wanting to see. Shermy. Shermy. Sherman. Look at him. He's watching How I Met Your Mother. He's watching TV. It's not focusing, but look at this nose. The cutest doodle nose ever. Aw, he misses his mama all day. He just ate dinner. Aw, he's so sweet. He misses his mama now that she's at work all the time, huh? Don't you? Can you say hello to everybody? Say hi, everybody. He's like, leave me alone. He loves to perch up on this spot right here. I think it's so cute. He's like, is chilling. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It doesn't look super appetizing. I also should have made like broccoli with it, but I'm really, really hungry and I don't really feel like waiting on the broccoli. So that would have been good with this or any other vegetable like edamame or something, but basically that's that. And then I have one right there and one right there for Devin's lunches for leftovers this weekend. So this is smelling so good. So I'm gonna eat this and then I will catch up with you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later. It's like 8:10, and Brittany was supposed to come over and watch Hocus Pocus with me, but She bailed on me. No, I'm just kidding. She said that they got like a late start to making dinner and she's just tired, which I'm tired too, so that's totally fine. I'm all snuggled up on the couch. Shermie's about to come cuddle. Hi, honey. Oh, he's so handsome. Look at his face. Aw. So Sherman and I are about to snuggle up. I have Oreos and almond milk over there that I'm over there that I'm about to eat. And yeah, I'm just gonna watch this show. I'm watching The Office right now, but I started this show, The Sinner, today. It's not a new show, but it was on Netflix's like new releases, and it was from 2018. It's got Jessica Biel in it, and it's super good. I'm on the I'm about to start the 4th episode, so that's what I'm gonna watch. And I guess I'll just go ahead and end the vlog here because that's all I'm gonna do. I already cleaned up the house. I've got a candle burning behind me, as you can see. I'm trying to finish burning like all my summer candles because I have all my fall candles out and I'm ready to burn those. So anyways, thanks for watching this vlog. Hope you guys are having a great day, and I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.